Welcome. In today's session, we'll learn how to create a JavaScript program to bind a function to a specific context and optionally add arguments dynamically. This method allows for greater control over function execution, especially in object-oriented programming. Binding a function to a custom context ensures it behaves consistently regardless of where it's called. This is particularly useful in event handlers, callbacks, or object-oriented methods. The bind function accepts three parameters: the target function, the context, and optional arguments. The return function ensures fn is always invoked with the specified context and merges additional arguments seamlessly. The process ensures the target function always runs in the desired context, with any extra arguments passed dynamically at runtime. Here we see how the greet function dynamically respects the context and arguments passed to it. The binding ensures it works with the appropriate user property from the context object. This solution relies heavily on modern JavaScript features like the spread operator and arrow functions to simplify dynamic behavior and binding. This approach is invaluable in scenarios like event handling, object-oriented programming, and optimizing frequently called functions with predefined arguments. In summary, the bind function is a powerful utility for managing context and arguments in JavaScript. It simplifies dynamic execution in a range of programming scenarios. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.